वन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे मरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम
वेलकम टू इंडिया आगे आगे आगे
You know, there are two sides to it. If I'm an open-minded person, I would say, okay, it's their way of celebrating the money that they have. And if I look at it from the other point of view, the message they are sending out in the society, especially the ones who are, not so privileged, they get influenced and they too want to get into that kind of a grind. And I think that's not something that we want to set an example to.
देखना क्या है, यही देखते हैं कि भाई की अमीर आदमी का कितना देखो, कितना शादी में कितना बड़े बड़े लोग आ रहे हैं, कितना अच्छी बात है। लेकिन वो अच्छी बात की वजह से देखो दूसरा गरीब को भी देखना पड़ता है, गरीब को भी देखो ना ज़रा। वहाँ 50 करोड़ खर्चा कर रहे हैं, यहाँ गरीब खाने के लिए तरस रहा है।
ऐसा लगता है कि भाई उसको अल्लाह ने इतना दिया है तो वो कर रहा है। अब जो गरीब के पास में नहीं पैसा रहेगा तो उसकी बेटी का क्या होगा।
India would be, we would be happy if India was being discussed, that happiness index of our country would have gone up, then we would have been happy. And that is really something that can be celebrated by everyone in this country. Just celebrations for few by again dispossessing many, that is not the real celebration, and we would not be impressed or amused by such huge weddings, etc.
Honestly, I feel like it's the Ambanis. It's not even 1% of their total net worth. It's helping the economy. It's extravagant, but it's fine. I love that they're calling international artists to India to actually perform for the Indian public.